Hi, I'm Andy Lade. It's 30th of April. This is today's Squardle. I'm going to start off with my favourite one. Oops, didn't click on it right. Why isn't... Oh, well, if I'd actually loaded the board first. Silly boy. Right, stare. And we've got an A and an arbor there. We've got nothing across here. Round. We've got a D in this word. Probably end in a D, I guess. There's an N there over there. There's a U in this word and in that word. So, well, let's try. Oh, I was going to do bound, but it's not going to end in a U, is it? Very much would not think it's going to end in a U. Pulled. Oh, come on, answer. I can't think of a word. Kind. Just to put something in. Alright, well, there's an I, but D isn't the end word. There's an N there, going across there somewhere. We're back on this word. There's an A in this word somewhere as well. There's not an A by there, so the A could be by here. It's very unlikely it's going to end in an A, but it could, so it's probably there somewhere. There's also an N, which could end in an N. Either of them could end in an N. So it could be AR something N. It's not an E. Right, barren seems common. Right, barren is a very common word in Wordle. I'm not sure why. Barren and urban, they always seem to come up. So we've got an R going down here. We've got a U going down here. The N now is probably there. So something U, there's no R in it, but there. So it could end in an R. Something doom, no, do. There's an O there over there. There's an N there over there. There was an N there. There's no D. Sorry, there is a D. So that could end something ND. That could be bound because there's an O across there as well. And as it doesn't end in a D, and there's no D there, I think it's going to start in a D. So I think that's going to be bound. So that's going to be something starting with a U, which has got an R in it. Urges. Don't think it's going to be urges because it doesn't. They don't end in S's, they don't very, very rarely end in plurals. But the E's in the right place. The R is going to end in an R now, I believe, which I think would probably be. Could be Elsa. Could be Elsa. This I think that's going to be bound. So this is going to be DI. It could end in an N, I guess. DI something. AN. Diggin. Or it's going to end in something which isn't an N. There's an over there, which is going to be there. The N is going to be there. That's definitely bound. Definitely. That's going to be something R something, RU something maybe, or R something. I'm not really thinking of anything but you. There's no letters going across the bottom either, unfortunately. Right, I'm going to just put a dirge. Alright, the I's in the right place. There's an arbor there, which does suggest that is Ulcer. we're going across here now, so I'm sure that's bound, which it is. So now we're going down here. Oops. So let's put ulcer in. Let's spell it correctly to start with. U-L-C-E-R. Ulcer was right. Oh, there's a C in the middle there. Recur. Oh no, it can't be recur because the R is in the wrong place. I'm not on that word either at the moment, but there's an E in it. Recap. D-I-P, dippy. Dippy a word? Well, dippy is a word. That could be, yeah, let's try dippy. No, so it's not recap. It's going to be re-something, isn't it? It's going to be there's no O in it, there's no E in it. There's no A in it, actually, because the A would be pointing across there otherwise. So it's either re-C-E something, recce. No, it can't be, because that'd be... Oh, actually, it could be recce. R-E-C-C-E. R-E-C-C-E. No. But the R-E-C bit is right. I'm now down by here. I'm really running out of letters by here. That O could be there actually as well, couldn't it? N-O-R. No. So that could be north. Let's try north. Right, north is a word, right, so this is going to be D-I, right, that's going to be ditch. So that's going to be recut. Recut? Is that a word? It is a word. And we ended up with, oh no, yes, we just got one word left, which is ditch. And that's it. You win. Thank you very much. 2 guesses left. 7.5 minutes. Quite a long one today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much. I'll see you later on. Bye.